In case you've been under a rock, approximately $1 trillion has been erased from the U.S. equities today. The crypto market has also been seeing significant pressure with around $330 billion in value wiped out. Look at this, man. The stock markets are crashing. Crypto markets are crashing. It's going down, guys. There's blood in the streets. And I'm excited, man. Really. So I was at work and I was talking to one of my buddies, and neither one of us are positioned where we want to be. So we're taking advantage. We're buying our positions. He's buying some XRP. I'm definitely getting into XRP. Should have been in it. You know, I was actually in it at 25 cents, but I sold it a long time ago. And now this is the perfect opportunity to get back in, and I'm taking advantage. And, you know, I'm not going to let the sentiment of the market disturb me or slow down my progress. I get it, guys. Everything's looking bad. Everybody's scared. Everybody's wondering what's happening. The OGs are tired of holding. I get it. Summer at Fire Hustle says, if you're going through the crypto panic, ask yourselves this. Is this in my control? The price? No. Your research? Yes. Your position size? Yes. Your ability to learn from this? Yes. Stop obsessing over what you can't control. And that's essentially it, guys. I mean, there's market manipulation, all sorts of factors in today's crash, and we have no control over any of it. The only thing we can do is DCA, or we can sell. We can hold, DCA, or sell, and those are our options. And if you're overwhelmed right now, just close the apps. The Tina RP says, does seeing the market bleed suck? Absolutely. Did I just buy more XRP at $1.36? Absolutely. Praying everyone has the strength to make it through this. It's a blessing for some, but I know the OGs are tired. I'm tired, but I'm not selling. Let's get it. I mean, look at this little cat getting it. Hold on for dear life.
Wait, what happened to XRP? It's down to $1? Are you kidding me? Oh my God, I thought it was going to $1,000. Why did I join the XRP army? I told my grandma to buy it. I bought it at $3. How am I down 66% in less than 2 months? Are you kidding me? This is a complete Ponzi scheme. I thought it was going to revolutionize the banking system. Now the only thing that's revolutionized is my bank account because this thing's going to zero. I'll never be rich.
It's hilarious, man. I mean, I understand, man, and I don't mean to be laughing, because I know there's really some panic and there's really some blood out in the streets, but man, it's all about changing your perspective. I mean, even if your bags are fully packed, this is a time to buy more, and which buying more only allows you to get out earlier. I mean, this isn't a bad thing, guys, and even if we dip down more, buy more. I mean, you might not have any more money to put into the market, and I understand that. But for me, I'm loading up. I'm putting in every spare dollar I can for the next foreseeable future, really. It's the only way that I'm going to set myself up for generational wealth. I'm trying to get my family rich. I'm trying to be more than comfortable, and I'm not going to let this market scare me. Sure, we didn't see the bull. The only one that had a bull was Bitcoin. I'm willing to bet you that most people are regretting not selling now, but that's okay, because if you're still in, these are discounts. Everybody wanted to buy it lower. Everybody wanted to buy it low. When I started investing, it was $20,000, and now it's at like 65, 64. I mean, this is crazy, and I only hope it goes lower because, like I said, my positions aren't packed. Bitcoin falls under 67,000. $355 billion was liquidated in just 60 minutes. The crypto market is bleeding. Is this the ultimate bear trap, or the crypto cycle is over? I have no idea, man. Nobody knows, and anybody that tells you that doesn't know.
Damn, I wish I was wrong. Ooh-wee! Welcome to the bear market, boys, where it's nothing but dump city. Bitcoin lost a $73,000 support last night, retested it during the Asia trading session, and now big old Dumparooski coming into this Fibonacci gold pocket here around $66,112. As you can also see, we've hit the yearly of 2024's yearly NPOC of 67 this morning, meaning that it is official. Bitcoin's price is living within the 2024 yearly range, which means in long format here into short format, whatever, I don't even know what to say anymore, we're going lower, right? With the big drop from this area coming down, next major targets are between 64 to 57. And if we have a full rotation of this range, which at this pace, we are super extended, I do expect some type of rally back up to 73, maybe retest this value area high before dumping down lower again. A full rotation of this range will take us down to 48. 48.
It's just the market we're dealing with right now. I'm not trading anything right now. I know tons of people that are swing trading and they're winning right now. I'm not suggesting that you do that, but that could be an option for you. Maybe swing trade, buy back in, or swing trade, and there's still just a little bit of time to tax harvest, and you can put that into something that you believe in, even though everything's dumping right now. I started buying Solana at 125. I saw a little bit of profit at 150. And now I'm back down and I'm looking at it as a buying opportunity, and I'm dumping cash into Solana and I'm stacking that yield. It's even easier for me to get more yield now because the price is cheap. Looking at it as a win, man. I'm definitely excited over here. I'm hoping we go lower, and I know, I'm probably going to get some hate comments on that, but I really do hope we go lower so that I can stack my position a little bit more, because I'm not ready yet. Definitely not ready yet. Could be 27, could be 28, 29, 30 before we bull again. Who knows? Like I said, no one knows. The 5-year cycle, they said, is here. The 4-year cycle is dead. None of us know. What I do know are the facts is that we're oversold. The RSI is oversold on just about every asset. So
Bitcoin just plunged under $70,000 again. Lowest in over a year, but big picture here is that this isn't just a correction, it's a crisis. Let's talk about it. Right now, Bitcoin's down close to 20% for 2026, hitting lows around $67,000 to $70,000. It's weakest since before the Trump era surge. The whole crypto market has shed hundreds of billions. Now, analysts blame tight money, a hawkish Fed pick, forced liquidations, a weak institutional demand. It's a risk asset sell-off, not just some random noise, but there's this. One name that continues to pop up is JE because he circulated in elite tech and cryptography funding circles early on. That's real. He funded labs and events where future blockchain thinkers hung out. Now, he obviously didn't create Bitcoin, but my God, there is a lot there that could be looked at to see if he had his crummy little hands in using it and manipulating it and bringing it into the forefront. Now, Epstein liked opaque systems, money flow off the books, all right, for his own reasons. So what do you think? Do you think that people are freaking out because he perhaps had his blood money circulating through the cryptocurrency world?
Thought Bitcoin would have ties to Epstein, and he had his hands on it from the beginning and likely used it to exchange for shady stuff. No way. It's impossible. LL, bro, are we going to let the fact that Epstein may have invested in the early stages of Bitcoin or given some money to MIT, like it says here? Epstein donated to MIT Media Lab, who in turn supported MIT Digital Currency Initiative, which in turn funded Bitcoin developers. Don't let the fact that he may or may not be tied to this asset be a deciding factor in you holding the asset. Criminals use cash all the time. That doesn't mean we're going to stop holding cash. Criminals use the banking system daily. We're not going to stop using the banking system. The thought process is idiotic. Who cares who holds what asset, or who cares who does what with their money? It's beside the point. It doesn't stop me from making money. The problem is everybody's so sensitive, and I'm not saying that Epstein was good or the stuff that he did was right. It was wrong. It was very wrong. I actually made a video about it on my other channel, so don't think that I'm a supporter of anything this man did. I am a supporter of the monetary system. I am a supporter of crypto, and I definitely believe in Bitcoin. And I'm not going to let the fact that Epstein may or may not have invested in its early grassroots be a deciding factor on whether I hold it or not. In a year or two from now, nobody's even going to remember this. Nobody's going to care about it. And we're going to be back pumping and everything's going to be all right. So just hold your Bitcoin, hold your crypto. Don't let anybody talk you out of this. If you've held this long and you're still here, might as well hold. Nobody wants to be a bag holder, but this is what we're dealing with. I completely understand the sentiment. I'm down. Everybody's down. Nobody's up right now. And if they tell you they are, it's because they're lying or they're either catching some play by swing trading. And, to all those that are doing that, congratulations. If you're short in the market and you're winning, congratulations. Man, just keep on doing what you're doing. Avoid the noise. Don't listen to the chaos. Don't let the fear and greed get you down. The market's down 11.70% right now, $2.19 trillion. The way it's dumping, we could be at $2 trillion by the end of the night. So who cares? Keep buying your cryptos. Keep holding. If you're going to wait for lower lows, wait. If you're going to wait for higher highs, wait. But either way, I think you should be DCAing. And that is not financial advice because I'm not a financial advisor. It's all guesswork. I don't know what's going to happen and nobody else does. Really, I hope this all finds you guys guys well. Stay encouraged. Don't let this stuff get you down, man. This is just another day in the crypto market, the most volatile asset class that we've all chose to invest in because we're all degenerate losers. That's going to do it for this one. Hope you guys are doing well. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Until then, God bless.